I'm almost done. I'll be right down, okay? Yeah, hold on, watch this.
What?
It's this part's gonna cut out right now that I just made. Oh, look, my screen messes it all up here. Let me see if I can resize it. Recording software, you know. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, I know this. Like it's like at Uncle Brock's house. It's pretending it's like
that machine he has?
Yeah.
That's right. That's it right there. So now it's drilling. Here, let's speed it up a little bit though, so we can get it.
Yeah, when I watch this,
watch what it does now though. Watch this. So now it's making a little edge on it, little chamfer edge it's called. And then now it's going to go around and cut a pocket.
And what you're trying to make?
I'll show you that part that was over there. We did what's called tool pathing it. And now it's doing this adaptive roughing. And it's going to very smartly go around and start removing all the material. Look at that. Dun, 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 dun.
It's like it's sailing to... It's like it's flying to... Neptune.
Flying to Neptune?
Yep.
Yeah.
And Dad!
Huh?
Why do we have planets if nobody's there?
Oh, well, how do you know nobody's there?
Because one day you told me.
Yeah, well, I'm a goofball that way, right?
Yeah, naturally. Is it?
No, buddy, we don't know that yet.
Better ask God.
Yeah, hey, there you go. Good idea.
I'll send a message to him.
Okay. I'll wait for the answer. There we go. Oh, really dragging it out though, aren't we?
Okay, only what we need to do is just look at this.
Yeah, it's almost done.
Like when you're on the phone with Uncle Brock, you're like saying toolpath to everything to him.
Yeah, I'm always saying toolpath stuff, aren't I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not at home. Dad, which color do you like? You like red?
What's that?
Which color do you like?
That one right there.
What?